On example number 5, we have y equals 4 over 7 x raised to 2/3 plus 5 over 3 x raised to negative 4 over 5 plus 6 over 7 x raised to 2 over 5. So in order for us to simplify this one, let us move the variable x into the numerator. So this is y equals 4 over 7x. So if we are going to move this one on the numerator, it will give us negative 2 over 3 plus 5 over 3x. And since this is negative, it will give us positive 4 over 5 plus 6 over 7 x raised to negative 2 over 5. So let us find the derivative. Let us have y prime equals the derivative of 4 over 7 x raised to negative 2/3 plus the derivative of 5 over 3 x raised to 4 over 5 plus the derivative of 6 over 7 x raised to negative 2 over 5. So let us simplify this one. So in order for us to simplify, let us just multiply 4 over 7 and negative 2/3, same thing as the other expression. So we have y prime equals 4 over 7 times negative 2 over 3, and then x raised to negative 2/3 minus 1 plus 5 over 3 times 4 over 5, x raised to 4 over 5 minus 1, and then we have 6 over 7 times negative 2 over 5, x raised to negative 2 over 5 minus 1. So let us have y prime equals 4 times negative 2 is negative 8 over 7 times 3, that is 21. And then we have x raised to negative 2/3 minus 1, that is negative 2, minus 3 is negative 5. Copy the denominator, 3. And then let us have, or we can cancel 5. This will give us 4 over 3. X raised to 4 over 5 minus 1, that is negative 1 over 5, or 4 minus 5 is negative 1. Copy the denominator, 5. And then we have 6 times negative 2 is negative 12 over 7 times 5 is 35. And then x raised to negative 2 pip minus 1, that is negative 7 over 5, or negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7 over 5. So to simplify this one, let us have y prime, and then since we have negative sign on the numerator or the exponent, we can get the reciprocal of this one. So this will give us negative 8 over 21 x raised to 5 over 3. And then we have 4 over 3 x raised to 1 over 5 minus 12 over 35 x raised to 7 over 5. And let us convert this one into radical form. So this is y prime equals negative 8 over 21 cube root of x raised to 5 plus 4 over 3 fifth root of x raised to 1 minus 12 over 35 fifth root of x raised to 7. So to simplify, since our first index is 3, this will give us 5. Okay, so we can divide x raised to 5 as x cubed and x squared, because our index is 3 and we are going to get the perfect cube inside the radical sign, in which is x cubed. So we are going to simplify this one later. And then we have 4 over 3 fifth root of x minus 12 over 35. And this time our index is 5. We are going to divide or cut the exponent by 5, and that is x raised to 5 and x squared. So let us have y prime equals negative 8 over 21. And since we only have one x cubed in the radical sign, so we are going to get this one, and that is x, and then cube root of x squared plus 4 over 3 fifth root of x minus 12 over 35. We only have x raised to 5, which is the index is 5. So we are going to have x and then fifth root of x squared. So therefore, this will be the derivative of the given function.